noisy blower motor for a 2011 Acura RDX. So that fan doesn't sound right, and I couldn't find anything on YouTube about how to replace it, how to get access under there. So this, can you see that? Here it is. Okay, so this panel sits up. Jesus Christ, you can't see that at all. So this panel sits up under there, kinda, and I couldn't figure out how to get the clip out. So there's a little circle there that looks like a clip that should come out. That's not anything you want to mess with. What you're actually interested in are these three friction clips here, here, and here that sit immediately underneath the glove box, here, here, and here. So you just grab the panel and pull it towards you, act like you mean it. They're just these little stupid little friction clips. And then the back of it is just that post goes into a hole, and that's all that holds this stupid thing in there. Easy. And then the blower motor will have, you can't see that, hang on a second. All right, so the blower motor will be held in by 3 screws. Don't be tempted to save the one closest to the firewall for last. Do that one first, and then the 2 in front last. Otherwise, the blower motor tilts off to one side, and all the pressure's on that on the back screw, and you can't get enough leverage to hold the motor up and get the screw at the same time. It makes it difficult. Just don't do it. All right. Whatever this is, there's a little temperature sensor, climate control, I don't know. But this sockets into that. Make sure you get that in place. And, well, this thing isn't rocket science. If you can figure out how to get it out, you can figure out how to get it back in. Oh yeah. You have to take whatever this panel thing is out. There's a section right here that sockets into that slot right there, but it's just held in with more of those. Where is it at here? Just at the top, and it pulls out real easy. I think at the back there's some slide it into the back first. Something, I don't know, you'll figure it out. All right, let's see what kind of a difference that made. All right, no more annoying whine. That's it, super easy.